Bullish Bitcoin money cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $594.38 and $1,122.73 by 2030. Market experts accept BCH could reach $462.30 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2023 is $105.67. Bitcoin money presentation. One of the most well-known forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was enlivened by despondency with where Bitcoin was taken, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash. The production of Bitcoin money, what works more like a cash than a store of significant worth, lighted a savage question between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and inexpensively. Close to this time, a purported nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and pronouncing it to as of now not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, in August 2017, Bitcoin money was made because of a fork. It had a promising start, however, has encountered unrest from that point onward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more valuable cash, devotees of digital currencies habitually put resources into it. The coin's cost has the run-of-the-mill market unpredictability. However, many individuals accept its future will be more splendid and will offer more noteworthy benefit in the next long stretches of time. What is Bitcoin money? Despite the fact that it isn't the most established, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the digital money split into Bitcoin money ABC and Bitcoin money SV in November 2018. This shows a readiness to keep Bitcoin and digital forms of money overall advancing. But BCH's forking was fundamentally inspired by Bitcoin's 1 megabyte block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges stacked up and sat tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin money proposed making blocks between 8 megabytes and 32 megabytes in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are commonly somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for each block were recorded on the Bitcoin money network during a pressure test in September 2018. The person behind this fork, Roger Ver, has been advancing the thought that Satoshi Nakamoto, who imagined Bitcoin, was liable for having a computerized cash that could work under pressure. Bitcoin money current cost. Bitcoin money is presently worth $132.07 USD. BCH has moved 0.20% as of now with an exchanging volume of $114,463,509. Bitcoin money is presently positioned 429 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $2,581,661,823 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin money to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Bitcoin money market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The BCH cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $198.10. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $184.89 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $158.48. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Bitcoin money BCH cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $330.16. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the BCH's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $264.13 and a typical exchanging cost of $290.54. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $462.23 and BCH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $422.61 and a low of $396.20 in 2025. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Bitcoin Money effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $594.29, with a base cost of $528.26 and a typical cost of $554.67. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $686.74 by 2027, with a base cost of $660.33 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, BCH has a most extreme value worth of $726.36. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $818.81. On the off chance that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $858.42. Neglecting to assemble the help BCH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $792.39. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2029. While BCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $924.46 and a yearly cost close above $990.49 in 2029. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Bitcoin Money will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1,056.52 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1,122.56, averaging out at $1,082.94. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In net capacity, the most extreme BCH cost in 2031 is projected to be $1,294.24 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1,241.41. And, considering that Bitcoin Money was intended to be the replacement to Bitcoin and cure the cash's imperfections, its future is a fascinating one. But since of the manner in which it has created many